Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to read an article about how car insurance works. Car insurance provides financial protection if you are in a car accident, your vehicle is damaged in a non-collision event, for example a falling tree, hail, and etc., or your car is stolen. In exchange for a premium, the amount of money you will pay for your policy in the insurer will pay for cover expenses. Depending on the type of policy you choose, this can include property damage or bodily injuries you or another driver or passenger sustain. Every policy is based on limit or the maximum amount the insurance company will pay on a claim. Some types of coverage also carry deductibles or the amount you have to pay before the insurance will cover remaining cost. There are several types of car insurance available, and you can customize a policy to get the insurance coverage you need. Kind of car insurance coverage. The first is liability insurance. Liability insurance cover pays for costs associated with an accident for which you are found legally at fault. Liability insurance generally includes two types of coverage. The first is bodily injury. This covers the expenses related to injuries or death for others. For example, another their passengers or a pedestrian when you are at fault. The second is property damage. This covers the expenses for repair or replacement of others' property, for example, fencing, a home, and etc. You damage when operating your vehicle. And then uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage provides financial protection if you are hurt in an accident and the other driver doesn't have car insurance. Depending on where you live, this coverage may extend to cover property damage. Uninsured motorist coverage also pays if you are the victim on a hit and run. Personal injury protection or PIP, also called no fault coverage. This insurance pays the medical expenses for you or your passengers if you are injured in an accident, regardless of who is at fault. PIP may also apply if you are riding a bike and hit by a vehicle. In some cases, PIP coverage may reimburse you for lost wages and expenses for tasks you cannot perform while recovering, such as house cleaning. And then collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for repairs if your car is damaged during a car accident or if it collides with another object like a building or tree, even if you're at fault. It may also cover damage from potholes. Comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage pays for damage to your car that occurs during an event that's not a car accident or collisions with another object. And then the last is how much car insurance do I need? To determine how much car insurance you need, starts by looking your state requirement. Most states require drivers to carry liability insurance, but some require additional types of coverage like uninsured motorist coverage or PIP. Similarly, if you finance or lease your vehicle, it's also best to check with the lender or lessor to determine what type and amount of coverage is required as part of your loan or lease agreement. Keep in mind, there are starting points that insurance covering needs vary. If you don't feel you'd be able to afford liability, medical or legal expense after an accident, it's a good idea to consider purchasing a policy that will protect your assets. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye.